Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the official Samsung S Pen flip case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come that I got coming for this device right here. But let's go ahead and get into it. So again, this is the official Samsung S Pen case for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. Before we take a look at the case, let's take a look at the packaging. So this is pretty much the box it's going to come in. Let me go ahead and open this here. So we got this little piece that holds the S Pen, and this is what's going to hold the case itself. It does come with extra S Pen tips right in there, and then you got a little user manual on how to use the case and all that. And that's pretty much it that comes in the box. Let me go ahead and push all that off to the side there. Let's go ahead and take a look at the case itself. Now, I will say this right off the bat, and I got to be honest with you guys. This case right here, this is not for me. This is an $80 case, so I'm gonna give you my thoughts on whether I think it's worth it or not. And honestly, I don't think this case is worth 80 bucks. Don't get me wrong. It's a nice case. It's made of nice materials. Let's go ahead and pop it on the device. Pops on nice and easy like that. And this is what it's gonna look like. So as you can see, it's definitely a nice looking case. It feels nice. It's got some nice materials there, but it's not going to be the most protective when it comes to protection. As far as like, look at right here where the cameras are. If I get a close up there, as you can see, it's pretty much flush with those camera lenses. So you're definitely not getting the most protection there if you happen to drop it flat on its back like that. And then you're not going to get the most protection with the outer display as well, because I mean, yeah, you know, you got this front cover right here that is covering that front display, but look at this. It doesn't lock on, it falls. So if you happen to drop your phone flat down like this on a flat surface, there's a possibility when it's falling that it could flip forward and, you know, protect your display like that. But there's another possibility to where it'll fall like that with it flapped out. So you really don't know what's going to happen with this case if you do happen to drop your phone. And that's one thing that I dislike about this case, is that just this flap is just kind of everywhere sometimes. And then sometimes it makes using the phone harder as well, especially when it comes to one-handed usage with this outside display. I mean, look at this. It's kind of sliding around right now. I can try to hold it in place, but it just takes your hand a little bit further away, or a lot further away from the phone, as you can see there. It's not close up like this. Now your hand's even further away, so you're having a hard time doing that one-handed usage. And then when you open up the phone to use this case, so you can use it like this, and this outside part is going to be continuously just popping out like that. And it kind of helps hold the it kind of helps hold the phone when, you know, you're like this, because you can lock your fingers into where the S Pen piece is right here, and it kind of helps you hold the phone, so you can use it like this. But honestly, sometimes, as you saw right now, it's not the easiest. Sometimes it moves around like that. I mean, you can also, you know, flap it back like this, but then again, it just makes it awkward to hold, at least for me. Like I said, you know, some people might like this case, and I know there are people who already have it. This was given as a free gift with pre-order, so I already know there's people out there that have it. If you are one of them, let me know your thoughts down in the comments. What do you think about this case so far? Like I said, I tried using it, and honestly, it's kind of awkward for me. It doesn't add too much bulk. I mean, when you look at it like this, it is a pretty thin case. You know, feels good in the hand, but as far as the width goes, it definitely makes the phone feel wider because of this S Pen slot on the side. And I know that's the whole reason for having this case, is to be able to carry the S Pen around, because I mean, there's no other way to carry the S Pen around really with your, you know, Galaxy Z Fold 3. So this is kind of the way you're gonna have to do it. You got to get this case, you got your S Pen in there. When you're ready to use it, you pull it out, go like this, open up the phone, and then boom, you can start, you know, you can start using your device with the S Pen. When you're done, you close it up like that. I mean, look at all the steps I got to take just to do this. In my opinion, I really think Samsung should have found a way to try and give us the S Pen in the device like what we have with the Notes, and they could have made a case that was a lot better. And I know we can take this off. Let's see, we can slide this off just like that. And there we go. It, you know, it doesn't add that extra width to the case, but now you don't have your S Pen with you. And that's pretty much the whole point of this case right here. So you can be able to carry this S Pen around with you wherever you go. I mean, unless you put it in your pocket, but then that's just, you know, that's just more to do to, you know, take your S Pen out of your pocket now. And then, yeah, it's just, I don't know. These are just my thoughts, my honest thoughts here. But let's go and take a closer look at the case. So again, this is when it comes to overall looks and feel, it feels great. It's definitely a very nice looking case. Like I say, you're not going to get the most protection where the cameras are. And then when it comes to the side of the device, it does leave the buttons exposed right here, so you can be able to feel where they are, you know, press that power button and use the volume rockers, and then it covers the rest of the outer part of the phone, at least when it comes to the back side of the phone. But with this front part, you're not getting any protection on the sides, as you can see right there. All you get is this flap right here, and it does protect the hinge, so I mean, you know, that's great. You're getting protection there. But like I said, it's not the most protective case, and it's just kind of weird because this is just kind of sliding around. I don't know. Anyways, this is the case. This is the Samsung flip case to hold that S Pen right there for the Galaxy Z Fold 3. It is on there pretty tight, so you do have to open this to be able to try and take it off. So you can see there, it does fit on there pretty tight, and it does take a little bit of force to try and get it off. So let me see, I don't want to break my phone. There we go. So as you can see, it does fit on there nice and secure. So it is going to stay on there, you know, pretty secure. It's not going to fall off if you happen, you know, to drop your phone around and throw it around. It's not going to fall off of the phone. It's on there nice and secure. But like I said, it's kind of awkward for me to use it, whether I'm using it like this or, you know, with the phone open like this or like this. It's just awkward for me. I mean, I personally think Samsung could have done a bit of a better job with this. Maybe even give us a little, you know, little Velcro strap to, you know, just kind of latch it onto this side right here so it stays closed in case you do accidentally drop it on the floor or something, so you know you can make sure that your phone is protected. You don't have to risk this opening up and boom, having your, you know, display hit concrete or asphalt or anything like that and risk it breaking. So you know, when it comes to the question if this is worth $80 or not, honestly, I don't think this is worth $80. I mean, I know you're paying for the case and the S Pen, that's why the price is a little high, but I don't know. For me personally, I wouldn't go out and pay $80 for this. Like I said, it was a free gift with my device, but me personally, I wouldn't go out and pay $80 for this. But y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. Could this be a case that you see yourself using? Like I said, just because it's not for me doesn't mean it's not for you. I do know of some people, you know, I've seen comments of people that have this and they actually do like it. Like I said, you know, everybody's allowed to have their own opinion. This is mine, and like I said, honestly, it's just not for me. But if you do find yourself interested in this, I'll leave a link down in the description below. But y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Thank you all so very much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out.